Why are we talking not on top of the carpet, not necessarily underneath the one of the places that sometimes I take a nap on? Why we? It's because it's complicated. It's for the sake of the people that are There's another conundrum in the world. They have ageism. There's these isms that exist: individualism, ism this, prisms. Like a Pink Floyd song, whatever. Where one bit of light goes through the prism and it comes into the Rainbow Club or something. Anyways, the point is, those that are vertically challenged, like I'm not that much of a basketball person at all. Some people in my family were, and some of them still are, believe it or not. But me, not that much. Okay. Yeah, and they have all these different kinds of players. But those people that are not necessarily 5'4", 4'5", the ones that are 5'5", just like got a 1 inch advantage over the others. Some say 2 inches, depending on the ageism and things like that. Sometimes they just say even 3 if you're really standing tall and you've done your stretches that day or something. But this is called. I have this design. It's relatively fascinating, at least to me. Since the world ended pretty much, in my meager opinion, in 1910, 20, 30, roughly, and they agreed to like continue the world or something. What was I saying? Oh yes, they had this company called Kroc. This dude, his name was Ray Kroc, and he invented this company called McDonald's. And the people in the 1940s and 50s, they were fascinated by McDonald's. It proliferated, it franchised, it was a big success, if you've ever heard of that McDonald company. It's a gigantic success. It's huge, larger than anybody could possibly imagine at the time. But there was these people in the world, you gotta remember, they didn't use like twine. This is when telephone poles and the telephone was just now being proliferated in the world. They didn't have that much to work with as far as engineering. And like AAA, AA batteries you could get them, but it was like you really had to it took a lot of effort. And so what they did, they had that and also spools of yarn. As far as I know, they had access to spools of yarn. So they would make these long story short, pun intended, you could make an entire version of a kosher, preferably kosher or completely kosher, McDonald's breakfast meal using yarn and kosher ingredients, of course, things like that, and some clocks. Anyways, until next time.